welcome back to my channel once again. So today's video will be about how to ace a perfect wing eyeliner. I'm going to tell you a hack which will help you to get that perfect wing eyeliner. So keep watching this tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and let's get started. Now I'm going to take a sticky tape available easily at your home. Just cut it and you're going to fold it toward the non-sticky side. Remember to fold it toward the non-sticky side, somehow like this. You're going to fold it to the non-sticky side. Now grab a scissor and cut it diagonally as thick and thin you want your eyeliner to be. Once you have cut it, you're going to get something like this. Now all you need to do is to place your stencil. Now the rule for placing your stencil is that it should be diagonal to the outer corner of your eyes to the end of your eyebrow. So I'm going to place my stencil like that. Just press it gently. Now I'm going to grab eyeliner. I'm using today is the felt tip eyeliner. This is really good for the beginners as it is less messy. Now all I'm doing is filling the gap of that stencil, creating a wing. Slowly you just fill it with a light hand. Now you can see I got the wing of my eyeliner. Now all I have to do is to fill my eyeliner just the way I always do. So just stretch a little bit and start filling your eyeliner. Follow your lash line and you can go as thick and as thin you want to be. I like it little thicker, so I'll be making it a little thick. You can go as thick and thin of your choice. Now I've completed this look of my eyes. Now I'm going to show you the complete look. Now I've completed both the look of my eyes. This was very simple. You can just try it on. You just need to have a tape and an eyeliner and you can achieve this perfect wing eyeliner. So do try it and just let me know how it turned out for you. And once again, thank you for watching my channel and just keep loving me.